What's going on, guys? Bitcoin is about to hit 60,000. It almost did this afternoon. It got dangerously close. As you guys can see, I'm out here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Don't you love crypto? This is what it's all about right here. San Juan, Puerto Rico, great spot. A lot of people in crypto here. A lot of people excited about Bitcoin, that's for sure. And here's the thing, guys. I'm actually kind of shocked where we are right now with Bitcoin going up to 60,000 basically right now, and also happened earlier this year, earlier today rather, and earlier this year. But a lot of us expecting Bitcoin's price to go back down to 50K, 45,000, something like that. It hasn't happened yet. It's not to say that it won't happen, but I want to give you guys kind of the breakdown, kind of some of the things I'm seeing. So right now, I think Bitcoin going against the grain. We're getting some altcoin movement right now. A lot of people anticipating a big rate cut, guys. That is one of the big reasons why I think we're seeing this pump, okay? And not the fact that it, is a foregone conclusion that it's going to be a 25 basis point hike. We might get a 50 basis point move, and if we get that, then people are really going to get excited. So if it's a little bit windy, by the way, guys, I'm out here in Puerto Rico, obviously, so bear with me on that. But the thing of it is, guys, people are speculating. They're pushing the price up right now, I think a little bit artificially, simply because a lot of people are speculating that we're going to get a big rate cut. I don't think this is going to be the end-all, be-all for Bitcoin, meaning Bitcoin's going to now send to 100,000 or anything, but I think it's the start of a lot of different rate cuts here, right? And if it is, this could be extremely bullish for the price of Bitcoin here as we move into 2025, and extremely bullish for altcoins as well, because altcoin season has not happened yet. We're still waiting for altcoin season to hit. And when that does, that's when the retail money comes back into crypto. That's when things really, really start to heat up. So where I'm at right now is I'm dollar cost averaging every single day into Bitcoin, into my top plays, especially when they're down. But with Bitcoin, I'm bulk buying on red days. I'm ready to really pull the trigger if we do get dipped down to 50,000. Some say we could go down to 45,000. If that happens, I'm going to be a big buyer, because I think it's going to be one more big opportunity before the real big run takes off. Usually in our Bitcoin cycles, in our crypto cycles, we've got kind of two legs of the bull run, usually. Leg number one usually happens, as it did, pretty early on in the cycle. Then we get kind of in this consolidation or correction phase, which I think we're in right now. And that first run is usually kind of a Bitcoin run only, which it was. And that was even proliferated by the Bitcoin ETF. And then usually the second run after this consolidation phase is where we see altcoins actually take off and move. So right now we're basically where we should be, I think, in the overall market. We're basically where we should be in this cycle. And I think we can't lose sight of that, because many people are kind of, getting nervous now that altcoin season hasn't hit, and we're like, hey, what's going on here? Is the bull cycle over? Is this all she wrote? I don't think that's the case at all. I don't think that's the case at all. I think we're just a little bit early. We're going to have more clarity in the markets once the elections are done. And then I think we see Bitcoin 100,000. And then I think we see altcoins really take off. What's going to happen from now until then? Well, we're seeing it. It's going to be very volatile. It can go up to 60. It can come back down to 50. It's going to be very, very volatile. I think as we even get into October leading up to this election. But once we get out of the woods and really, really solidify ourselves that we're in a bull run and retail comes back, that's going to be the big opportunity, guys. So right now, stack your chips, trade the volatility if you want to, or stack during the red days, and get ready, because we're in a great spot. Not only are we here in San Juan, Puerto Rico, heading to Singapore, token 2049, but we're in a great spot in the markets, guys, and I'm happy to be here with you guys every single day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Links down below to XT Algo if you want access to my trading indicator. It's how I make way better moves in the market than I ever did before. I had this thing built out, I pilot tested it, used it for myself for a really long time, went live with it last August. We have hundreds of people using it. Links down below if you want to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.